Name is Sripada Vasishtha Moola. In this video, I would like to explain you about the provisioning durable storage with Amazon Simple Storage Services. Amazon Simple Storage Services is a web services interface that you can use to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere. Using these services, we can create buckets, store data in buckets, download data from the buckets, and we can give permissions to the buckets and the folders which we have created. Here we need to create two buckets which are named as the DynoStore resources and the DynoStore degraded. In order to follow the steps, we need to open the bucket that which we have created. Firstly, we need to open the DynoStore resources and we need to create the folders over here. Here we are creating the 5 folders. They are called as a configuration folder, CSS folder, and the JSS folder, and the product images folder, and the site images folder. After creating the 5 folders, we need to upload the files to the product images. In order to upload the product images, we need to go to the folders that which we have got as the DynoStore folder. In the DynoStore folder, we need to go into the content folder and to the images, and here we can view all the images and the image folders which we want here. By clicking on the upload folder, we need to upload the product images. Here we can upload the product images by going into the images folder, and we need to select the product images, all the product images at a time. And we can, by selecting all the product images, we can upload all the product images in the Amazon S3. After uploading the product images, we need to upload the site images. By going into the same images folder, we need to select the site images as the glyphicons and the glyphicons half filled and the DynoStore logo, and we need to upload here. And we can see the uploaded folders in the site images over here. Next, you need to come to the Visual Studio, and in the Visual Studio you need to find the background images URL, and you need to paste the background images URL over here by selecting the Glyphicon Hoffings image, and you need to copy paste here in the URL place. Here in the cloud CSS file, we need to upload the bootstrap.css file from here, and after uploading this file, we need to upload the JSS file from the jQuery 2.0.2 from the folder that which we have got. From the scripts, we need to upload this folder. In Visual Studio, in solution items, by clicking on the index.html file, we can see the index.html file over here. By editing the link href of the bootstrap.css to the appropriate S3 cloud file, and edit the script links of the jQuery 2.0.2.js and bootstrap.js to the appropriate S3 cloud formats. Then you will see a welcome to the Net 702 DynoStore label over here, and then move to the cloud and go to the Dynastore degraded services and upload the index.html file over here and make the file public. And next you need to create the Dynastore resources, all the folders to be public. And when you enter into the product images, you can see that a link formed in the website panel. And by clicking on that link, you can check that the link is opened in the website pattern. In the master page, by clicking on the site 1 masters, you can see all the coding over here and you need to make the changes in the href, src and the src. By making all them into the cloud file, change the files and implement the cloud files over here. It coming into the site logo, make changes in the site logo place and implement the cloud logo image and the cloud logo URL over here. In my SQL workbench, in a query window, type run, select star from the product. This will bring up a results grid of all the record in the products table. Edit the image reference field for each Dynastore URL of the image in your S3 bucket and then click on the apply. After implementing all these steps, now the Dynastore project is ready to build, and by right clicking on the default.aspx.net folder, you can click on the start, and now the project is ready and you can view the Dynastore which we have created in the web browser. And then the web browser is ready and you have implemented the steps perfectly. All these are the steps which we have followed to complete the program, and thank you very much.